Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the Start menu not working error. Chapter 1. How to fix Start menu not working error restarting Windows Explorer. To start, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Click on Task Manager. Here, select Windows Explorer. After that, click on Restart Task. As you see, the environment must be loaded again. When it loads, check if the Start menu works. Chapter 2. How to fix Start menu not working error using console. To start, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Click on Task Manager. Now click on Run New Task. Enter the name PowerShell. Check the box to create this task with administrative privileges. Click on OK. Now in the console, scan the file system with the command sfc/scanno. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You must wait for the analysis to come to an end. After this, run the command on the screen. Press Enter. Wait for the system image analysis process to complete. Confirm that the Start menu works. Chapter 3. How to fix error Start menu does not work with executable. To start, combine the Windows keys plus E. This opens the Explorer. There you will go to the folder you see on the screen. When you access this folder, locate the CTFMON file. Double-click on it. Confirm that the Start menu works without error. Chapter 4. How to fix error Start menu not working setting date. To start, combine the Windows plus Ear keys. In this window, enter Ctrl and click OK. After that, click on Clock and Region, then click Set the Time and Date, then select Change Date and Time. Here, assign a different day, and if you wish another time, click OK. You can see that the start menu works normally. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.